In this video, we'll see how to use for each loop. It's used for the array. For example, there is an array, and here I'm going to use a for each is a one word. I'm going to declare a one variable int num, and just in there will be array name. It's the array one. Okay, and actually first I want to declare another variable. It will be a sum equal to 0, because I'm going to sum all these array elements. There will be a sum plus equal to the num. Now I'll show you how it works. I'm going to add a breakpoint here and run. Okay, just add to a watch list. This time is 0, and just add a num as well to. Okay, so this time is it have a element index 0 is on index 0's position. Press F10, so it got the sum is 1 and now it's a 3, num is equal to 3. Now the value 3 is in num. When it will execute the bottom line, 3 is here, sum is 1, now the sum becomes 4. Okay, so this time it will get the value 5. I'm just pressing F10. Okay, now the 5 plus 3 and 4, 9. Okay, 9 plus 7 will be 16, and this time is having a position 9, position 5th, and it will check again. This time all these arrays finish, all is counted 1 3 5 7 9, that is equal to 25. So it's just like works the for loop, and for each that we use to get all these elements from an array, and we can count them or can take further action what you want to do with this. Thank you very much for watching this video.